everyone! Welcome back to the channel Funimo Cats. Whether you're a cat lover or just here for some laughs, you're in the right spot. Number 1. A cat strumming the guitar.
Yo.
Number 2. This cat isn't just playing the piano, it's playing like a real pro. Number 3. Ups. The cat just tapped the piano by accident and somehow it made a perfect note. Hashtag for ... This curious kitty looks like it's ready for music class. It ... wants to learn an instrument too.
元宝
Hashtag 5. This little kitten looks so confused. This clever kitty knows exactly how to hit the keys. What a true pianist she is! #7. At first it looks amazing. But wait, why does it feel a little spooky? And that's it for our cat compilation part 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adorable kitty moments.